dear learners, now we have got a certain student here of Career Company Institute, and she has gone through the foundation course. As we just mentioned in the first video, that we are just going through some students. We are just going to meet you guys with some of our brilliant students, and they have gone through the process under my guidance. So I'm just meeting you, one of our brilliant student, meet here with Riya. She will just introduce about herself, and she will just share her thoughts in English language. So Riya, it's up to you.
So hello everyone, my name is Riya and I'm 19 years old. And as if I talk about joining this institute, I have joined this institute 5 months ago. And like when I joined this institute, my English was not very good. As I know how to speak in English, I know grammar, but I don't have that confidence to speak in English or to like interact with someone. And I was looking for a job at that time because there was some need at my home, but I wasn't able to find because of my poor communication skills. But after joining this institute, after meeting Umar sir and after meeting our Narendra sir, I feel like I can grow in this institute and I feel like I can develop my skills here. And as I joined my institute, I still remember my first day here. As when I was here, I was fumbling and I was really not very confident. I was fumbling. I was like trying to speak it, but I was not able to speak very nicely. But with the passage of time, with the practice, and with the search support or with our teacher support, I was able to grow very well. And now I'm doing a job in a multinational company. And even like I cleared my interview in my first round only because of my communication skill and because of the way I speak. So I would really thank my teachers for helping me to grow very well. And this institute has given me a lot, and I would really like to thank this institute for like helping me so much. And I would suggest you that if you want to improve your communication skill, if you want to improve your speaking skill, please join this institute.